When setting up Vericuda, you'll need to catalog areas, locations, floors, teams, business functions, and common causes to personalize Vericuda to accurately fit your business. The Configuration tab is where you're able to achieve all of this and more. In this video, we'll be going through how to configure your site. Upon logging into Vericuda, you'll select the Configuration tab located at the top of your screen, which will take you to a screen which looks like this. On this page, you can add areas, locations, floors, teams, business functions, and common causes. All you need to do is type whatever you're adding in the corresponding box and press Add. For locations, you'll need to first select an area before you're able to select Add. To remove, press Remove next to the corresponding category, which will bring you to a screen like this with a list of the added items of the category you selected. You can remove one or multiple at once by checking the box next to the name and pressing Remove Selection. To customize due dates, press Due Dates at the bottom of the main configuration screen, taking you to this page. You can update one due date by typing in the new due date for one of the categories and pressing Update, or update multiple at once by typing in multiple due dates and then pressing Update. Moving on to CAPAs, going from the main configuration page, you'll select CAPA Configuration, which will redirect you here. You're able to rename labels using the text box under Rename Label, and in addition, you can add and remove new summary of issue types, CAPA types, and nonconformances found in the same manner as the main configuration screen. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact swainer@vericuda.com.